In this final stretch of videos, we're going to take what we've learned about functions and variables and architecture and apply it to object-oriented programming. Now, if you've never heard of object-oriented programming, the basic concepts are actually fairly simple. And if you have tried to dive into object-oriented programming in the past but found yourself confounded, then don't worry. This will take you through step by step through the process of learning the basics and figuring out exactly why you should use object-oriented programming instead of the methods we've been using so far. Before we dive into that, keep in mind that you can get a whole lot done using just functions like we've done so far. In fact, until relatively recently, Drupal was completely built with functions, with no object-oriented programming at all. It's only recently, with some of the advances in the latest versions of PHP, that Drupal programmers have started to shift over to using object-oriented programming. What that means is that you can pretty much get what you need done with what you know so far. But understanding object-oriented programming will open up some doors for you. And in the end, it's a cleaner way of thinking about things and also mirrors more accurately what's actually going on.